So here is the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Antlia colourway. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at 3 Yeezys that I've picked up today. All of these are retail pairs, but it's the Europe exclusive Antlia, I think that's how you say it, Yeezy. A lot of people were hyped about this because they couldn't get it in certain places like Asia and America. So there was a big queue outside certain retail stores for these. I managed to pick up 3 pairs, all in different sizes, from a 4.5 UK, 5 UK and a 7.5 UK, all of which have now been sold. So I'm just going to do a review of them now because it's not for my personal use. I didn't really like the colourway that much, so I'll just look into the shoe now. So we'll look at the 7.5 because it seems to be the most popular size. So here is the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Antlia colourway. Here we have a look at the size 7.5 UK. As you can see, it has a sort of yellow tone to it, but it also has a creamy undertone underneath. The sole is a creamy yellow as well, and the bottom is almost a gum-like colour, but maybe slightly lighter. On these 350 V2s, for some reason, they've decided to take away the pull tab again, just like the original 350 V2s. They've just decided to do it again. So as you can see, the stripe goes all the way around the back of the heel to the other side. They have the transparent stripe going across the prime net there. It is a yellow transparency on this. Would have been quite cool if they'd switched it up with a different colour. For me, in my opinion, these are too similar to the Yeezy Butters, so that's why I didn't pick them up. Didn't like the Butters that much either, so I've sold all my Butters. I will give you a comparison now just to a frozen yellow, just to give you a bit of a colour difference, just so you can have a look at that. So here we have the Yeezy frozen yellow next to it, so you can see the colour difference right there. Such a slightly lighter yellow, more creamy compared to the frozen yellows, which I have actually beaten up, so they are pretty dirty, so ignore that. But on the Antlia you can see the 3M laces. Hopefully that's showing up. I will give you some B-roll of this just now. So I will get out all the pairs now, just so you can have a look at the different sizes. So here is a look at all 3 pairs. These are all authentic pairs and they're all adult sizes. The 4.5 UK size for 5 US. There's the tag right there, so you can have a look at that. In my opinion, it looks way better in the smaller size compared to the bigger size, but that's pretty much the same with every Yeezy we have. Let me know down in the comments below if you picked up the Yeezy 350 Antlia, or if you just let it sit, or if you missed out completely. I was surprised how hard these were actually to cop. On Adidas website, it looked like it had a problem and they were delayed by an hour. So I'm just going to have a look at the boost now on all of these pairs. As you can see, on the different sizing, the boost is actually different on both sides. So hopefully you can see that. Don't know if it's going to come up clearly. But there's actually different boost on the size 5.5. The boost is actually more flat, less textured, whereas on the smaller size, the texture on the boost is actually very defined, which is surprising. All of them actually have the modern boost pattern with loads of those dots on it, so that's something to look for. So like I said, these were purchased from a retail store, so they're all 100% authentic. Just trying to give you a closer look at them, see if you would like to purchase. Hopefully you can see and notice a difference on the camera. I've just recently purchased a new camera, so hopefully the details are a little bit better. Maybe this angle's a bit better Comment if you like this angle or if you want to go back to the old one. Not too sure which one I prefer. Like I said, all 3 pairs of these have just been sold. I'm not looking to keep them as it's not my personal preference. I am looking to get in a pair of the synths, the pinker colourway. I think that's a much cleaner colourway than this yellow. I don't know why he keeps pushing the colour yellow. But these will probably grow on me in time, like every Yeezy seems to do. However, for the moment, I don't really see the point in keeping a pair. But it was just a wee short review, just giving you a quick look at the 3 pairs, different sizing, stuff like that. If you want a more in-depth review, let me know and I'll post one of them. I'll do an in-depth one. This will be going up at the same time as a test, so stay tuned for that. Obviously these are all authentic, so it's not really a hard test. You should get it pretty easily. I'll give you some B-roll just to end it off now. But hopefully you enjoyed the review. Just give you a quick look at the Antlia. Let me know if there's anything you want to see in any upcoming videos, because I'm looking to get some more sneakers in, just to do some reviews for you. So let me know which ones you would like to request. And if you had to pick one of these sizes, which one would you have? I've sold all 3 already, but maybe for the next time I will do a giveaway if I get 3 pairs like this again. So thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned to the Instagram. Please subscribe if you want to. I hope you have a great day. Thanks. I do also have proof of authenticity for each pair. Each one has their own receipt, just to prove that they were purchased by myself.